Hi friends, I'm Kaylin, a nutrition educator from CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension, and welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month, we'll be learning about strawberries. Did you know strawberries are the most popular berry in the United States? The Spanish name for strawberry is fresa. Strawberries are what are known as an accessory fruit. An accessory fruit is not derived from the plant's ovaries. The fruit of the strawberry are really the seeds, while the red fleshy part is the receptacle that holds the flower together. On average, there are 200 tiny seeds on every strawberry. 94% of American households consume strawberries. On average, Americans eat more than 3 pounds of fresh strawberries each year, plus almost 2 pounds of frozen strawberries. Strawberries date back 2,000 years ago. They are indigenous to both northern and the southern hemisphere. European explorers discovered strawberries in North America in 1588. Early settlers in Massachusetts enjoyed eating strawberries grown by local Native Americans who cultivated them as early as 1643. By the middle of the 1800s, many regions in the United States were cultivating strawberries. Strawberries have been grown in California since the early 1900s. California is the largest producer of domestically grown strawberries, supplying almost 90% of the strawberries grown in the United States. Monterey, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Orange San Diego County are the 4 main strawberry producing regions in California. On average, more than 30,000 acres produce over 1 billion pounds of fresh and frozen strawberries. If the number of strawberries produced in California during the year were laid berry to berry, they would wrap around the world 15 times. That's a lot! A half cup of sliced strawberries, or about 4 large strawberries, provides an excellent source of vitamin C, which can account for almost 80% of the recommended daily value. Strawberries are also a great source of fiber and folate. Vitamin C helps heal cuts and wounds, while fiber is important for bowel function. There are 3 basic types of strawberry plants. June-bearing plants produce a single crop each year, usually lasting 3 to 5 weeks in late spring. Day-neutral plants produce fruit the same year in which they are planted and can produce berries throughout their year-long growing season, since they're not dependent on the day length to produce flower buds. Ever-bearing plants produce fruits twice a year, usually in late June to early July, and again in late August. Because ever-bearing plants produce few berries, they are rarely used for commercial production. Strawberries grow in small, low-growing perennials. Strawberry plants prefer well-drained, sandy soil. The plant needs plenty of water, warm days, and cool nights. Strawberry plants produce stolons that spread from the base and take root to form a new plant. The plant then produces white or pink flowers. After flowering, the strawberry plant requires pollination by bees or other insects in order to produce its fruit. Getting hungry for strawberries? Check out this link below for the strawberry swirl recipe from foodheroes.org. What's your favorite strawberry recipe? Strawberries are clearly a fan favorite. How many of you are fans of strawberries? Remember, the Spanish name for strawberry is fresa. Thanks for joining us on this spotlight of strawberries as our harvest of the month. How will you enjoy strawberries this month? See if you can find them in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in a garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month.